All right, the common denominator is going to be 24. Here's how we can figure that out. I can start by listing my denominators, and then I can list the multiples of 6 and the multiples of 8. So I have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36. For 8, I have 16, 24, 32, and 40. I can see that the lowest common number is 24. Both 6 and 8 go into 24. Here's what it would look like if you use the factor tree method. I know the common factors for 6 and 8 are 2, and the other factor of 6 is 3, because 3 times 2 is 6. For 8, the other factor has to be 4. I know this because 2 times 4 is 8. If I multiply these factors together, I get 3 times 2, which is 6, times 4, which is 24. Hopefully you're getting the hang of finding a common denominator.